So the S8 MaxV Ultra is our most advanced robot vacuum and mop. It cleans itself, it dries itself, it has its own robotic arm that cleans corners. It even has its own voice assistant that works offline. It's able to detect obstacles. It's able to detect your pet, it's able to find your pet, and it even supports Matter to connect to your favorite smart home ecosystem. Super smart, cleans very well, and cleans itself very well as well. If you're just looking for a do-it-all robot vacuum that cleans very well, maintains itself very well, super smart as well, but you don't want all the top tech that Roborock has to offer, you just want a tried and trusted robot vacuum machine that does the job, then the Revo MaxV is perfect for you. It's a spinning mop system that spins, it lifts when the carpet is detected, it's able to clean its own mop, it's gonna empty its own vacuum's dustbin, it's gonna refill it with clean water, and it has extremely high suction power, 7,000 Pascal suction power as well. So different robots for different people. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line robot vacuum, the S8 MaxV Ultra is perfect for you. But if you want a general, more tried and trusted robot vacuum, then the Revo MaxV is also great. The S8 MaxV Ultra has the highest suction power on the industry right now at 10,000 Pascal suction power. It has a mop that scrubs and raises at 20 millimeters. So with the highest suction power on the market and a mop that can scrub and lifts that high, you can expect one of the top cleaning performances on the market right now. And because it's able to clean itself with hot water, hot air, drying, you can expect very self-sufficient, very clean results when it comes to self-maintenance, so that you can leave the robot vacuum alone for weeks on end. And there's a lot of smart features that we have developed with our proprietary technology, including our voice assistant, which is exclusively our own technology, and it works both online and offline. So you can expect all the smart features, powerful cleaning features that can only be exclusively found on the S8 MaxV Ultra. This is the Flexi Pro. It is our latest wet-dry vacuum that vacuums and mops at the same time with 17,000 Pascal suction power, eliminates all wet messes, dry messes, big piles of messes with ease. This wet-dry vacuum is able to lay completely flat to clean under the furniture, get to walls as near as less than 1 millimeter. So all kinds of difficult corners, difficult walls. If you have big messes near those tough areas, it's going to clean it up with ease. And after you stop cleaning, you put it back, you press the start cleaning button, it's gonna wash it with hot water and dry with hot air. You don't have to worry about things getting stuck between walls and your floors. It will just be done with a single swipe. Everything will be clean and dried in 30 minutes. Super fast, super quick, super efficient. This is the Flexi Pro. It also works with cleaning solutions as well. So if you have some oily messes, or let's say you spill some oil on the floor, you want to give it an even deeper clean. Use the clean solution, mix it up, it's going to get it all cleaned up nice and dry. It also has an adaptive wheel called the Slide Tech. So these kind of devices normally are a little bit heavy on the heavier side of things, but with the Slide Tech wheels, it's able to give the pushing motion and the pulling motion a little bit of an oomph. You're able to maneuver and push and clean a little bit more easier for everyone.